Good morning, believers, ladies and gentlemen. I call everybody that's listening believers because you are believing that you can be great in Forex trading. So, I am the professor and I have several techniques that I use to be successful in trading Forex. Now, these techniques, I've created them or I have enhanced them, I made them better. So therefore, I have names that I call them. That way, when I call the names, I know exactly the technique that I will be utilizing. So this technique is called the seven golden fingers technique. The reason I call it golden fingers is because it's dealing with the gold US dollar. Okay? Now, the reason why I call this the seven golden fingers technique is because from every day, the beginning of every day, for instance, you see this is June 27th, 00, the beginning. From the beginning, I'll take three candles to the left, one, two, three, and then I'll take three candles to the right, one, two, three. Basically, that's seven candles because the middle is one, and then to the left is three, to the right is three. That's seven. So that's how I came up with the seven golden fingers technique. Now, also, I'll take the high of the high and the low of the low of those seven fingers. In Forex language, they call it candles. I call it fingers. Now, then I would set my buy stop right here, my sell stop right here. Okay? And then I will create 20 pips take profit and 20 pips stop loss. I will only do this method from Tuesday to Friday. And if you have, let's just say, about $5,000 in your account, anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 in your account, only use lot size $12. So I will repeat. We do it in the hour time frame. We start the bit in the beginning of the day. We take three fingers before, that's three candles before. I call it fingers. And we take three fingers after. We create a square box for if you're beginning at the high and at the lowest of the low. And then we create a buy stop order if it goes up, and we do a take profit 20 pips. We create a sell stop order if it goes down, a take profit 20 pips. And we do that from Tuesday to Friday. Now, if your broker time starts at 00, you will initiate the buy stop or sell stop on when it says 4 hours or 4 a.m. The reason why is because as soon as the finger closes at 3:59 a.m., some call it candles, I call it fingers, at 3:59 a.m., then you'll initiate the sell stop, buy stop. Okay? Now, one of them will initiate first. Whichever initiate first, it doesn't matter. You just need to understand you're taking 20 pips and moving away. You do it Tuesday through Friday. This is called the seven golden fingers technique. Let me show you for the last 6 weeks. This is the week of June 27, 2019. As you can see, it took 5 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to pass the sell stop, and we collected out 20 pips and ran away. Here, it took about 6 hours, right around here, to initiate our sell stop. We took 20 pips, left it alone. Here, It took about 5 hours, and right here and initiated our buy stop. We took 20 pips and we left it alone. Mind you, even though we see that it's going higher and higher, we take 20 pips, we leave it alone. This system has a high probability of success if you use it and you listen to it and you follow the law. Only do it Tuesday through Friday and take 20 pips. And remember, it begins on the hour time frame, and you have to wait till 3 hours and 59 minutes has passed by, then initiate your sell stop and your buy stop. So let's go to the next. As you can see, it took about 4 hours, and it initiated the sell stop, collect out 20 pips, walk away. Here, as you can see, this one took 11 hours to initiate our buy stop. We take 20 pips, we walk away. This one took 5 hours. It initiated our sell stop. We take 20 pips, we walk away. So on average, you know it will take 4 to the worst 11 hours to initiate the buy stop or sell stop. It's okay because we're taking 20 pips and walking away. So that's called the 7 golden fingers technique. Remember, you want to be profitable from Tuesday to Friday, and you want to understand, take 20 pips and walk away. I am the professor. I'm with A2Z of FOREX. So this right here is a brilliant strategy. You can practice it when Tuesday come around. And when I say when Tuesday come around, that's, I would say, this Tuesday, the 9th. Initiate this practice, and by the 12th, stop this practice and give me comments, give me feedbacks of what you thought about my 7 golden fingers technique. It took years to understand this, to apply it. Thank you. I am the professor. Have a good day.